Hey guys, okay, I'll do a better video later, but I just got my first wig, okay? It literally just came in January 29th, literally, like I got a text and I ran down to get it because it's here. Excuse my closet. So I'm going to unbox it with you guys because I plan on doing like a whole try on with this in like a couple weeks when I actually take out my hair. This is my first wig, I'm so excited. I've been wanting a wig and I got a wig. Oh, pretty. Ooh, this is from Luvme Hair. Okay, I don't know why they abused the box, but this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna slide this off. I just wanted to get my first reaction. Like, sorry I'm not all done up. Like, and this came pretty freaking fast. Enjoy your journey from now on. Yes, Helena, the founder. Thank you, Helena. Okay, so they had like a deal and I have all these headbands that I got with it, which is so fun. We're gonna check them all out together. We're doing a full unboxing here. So I think I get like 5 of these, which is super fun. So I have this cute yellow one, beautiful. I wish I just had like a plain black one, but maybe I can add that. I have this thick army one. I think it goes like this. This is cute. I got, okay, this was in there, a little fuzz. It's all good. I got a cheetah one. This is cute. Okay, it's like a double one, so it's kind of weird. Like, it looks like a thong, low-key, but I think that's how it goes. I got this pattern one. I think this one might be my least favorite. Looks like this. And then I got another one. I think this one's my favorite. It's so cute. It looks like this. And now let's unbox the hair. Oh my gosh, is there anything else? Before we get the hair, we're just doing all like the cute stuff. So I got a wig cap they gave me. Can y'all see? The 2-piece wig caps, it says. I don't know much about wig caps, but I know that this is not my color, so maybe I'd have to put like my foundation on it and stuff. I'm learning. I'm just joining the wig game. This is my first wig. This is like a little pamphlet of the like return policies and like ask questions and about the product. And then it came with this cute little travel bag and it has all your essentials. It has like a band in it, I think for like when you're gluing down your wig and stuff. Guys, I'm learning. Has bobby pins. Oh, I love it. It has one of these edge brushes, which I've wanted one of these, so that's lit. One of these clips. This is so cute. I got some tweezers to pluck. I'll be using this to pluck my eyebrows too. I'm so excited. This is so fun. And I'm just trying to see what this is. Affordable luxury wig. This is, it looks like a damn sash. Like a sash, like what you went on a pageant. So I will take this as an award because this is my first wig and I deserve it. Okay, so let me talk about the wig I got. The wig I got is a kinky curly wig. It's about, I think it's 16 inches. It's kind of short, and I would have got 18, but I didn't realize I picked 16. But it's my first wig, so I was like, you know what, I'm sure I need a 16-inch somewhere in my collection that I'll evolve. It comes in this thing. And a little more about the wig is that it's like a headband wig. So you put a headband on it. Ooh, okay. Okay, and it comes in netted. Okay, so it has a black one on, I guess, because there's like a black one on it. Wow, this is gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to put it on. It's very short, like very short. Like when it goes on, it's just gonna be like 2 little boobies, but I'm so down for this. Oh my gosh. I am here for this hair. Oh my gosh. I want to straighten it. It is so thick. Holy moly, this is so cute. Oh my god, this is so fun. This is so exciting. Yeah, so I will probably see you guys in a couple weeks when the braids are out and the braids are clean and the hair is clean, so I can try this on for you guys. But this is what it looks like right now. Oh my gosh, it's bouncy. Y'all see that? This is gonna be my hair, okay? See, this is like a super perfect, like natural wig I can wear for on the go and whenever I need it. And it's just a great beginner starter wig for me because I'm just learning about wigs. I don't know much about them, honestly. So this is a great way to start and get into it. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Okay, I'm gonna put my hairnet back on and I'll see you guys in a couple weeks.
Eventually.
So you guys just finished watching the unboxing, and now I'm going to put this wig on for the first time. I'm so excited. Okay, let me set up the camera so it's a little professional. Okay, we're gonna put the wig on for the first time. Okay, girl, can you tuck that in? I'm not trying to give you guys a nip slip. My hair right now is blown out, well, was blown out, so it's gonna be really easy. And I showed you guys the box is full. I look crazy, but this is my first wig, so I'm so excited to put it on. So first, I'm actually going to be just combing my hair back. I think that's the easiest way, and that's the flattest I can get it right now, especially since it's curled. That's really nice. So I'm just gonna be gently combing it, not ripping out my strands or anything. Yeah, and I'll be back when it's flat. Okay. Oh, it looks cute. I could just have my hair out like this. It's so cute. But I want to wear the wig, and I told you guys I was gonna wear the wig, but I want to keep it like this now. So cute. Maybe tomorrow or something, even with like a headband. It would look really cute. Like, this isn't a headband, but like, anyway, there's a lot of stuff in here that it comes with, but most importantly, it comes with a wig cap, and I've never wore one before, but we're wearing this one, and I know you're like, from what I've seen, people like put their foundation at the front, but I don't think I'm gonna need that because I don't think it's gonna really show. Oh, there's two. Oh my god, this is hard. Actually, it doesn't matter if my foundation gets on, so why am I tripping over that? See, it's pretty flat. Ooh, okay, so like, I'm the type of person where I just don't think I have edges. I guess these are like some edges. I could lay these down, but I just don't think I have edges, or I just don't know how to lay them properly, and I'm gonna go with that one. So this is the beautiful wig. I have a hairnet on it. This is the beautiful wig, and we're going to apply it. This is so fun. And things like this, I want it because I don't have to put any effort in my hair. I'm having some trouble. I put on a headband and I think it's just too high, so. But with the black one, I feel like it looks stupid. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, I'm gonna comb it out and possibly straighten it. I'm gonna straighten this because I look crazy. I'll be right back. Just a little bit of straightening to tame it a little bit. I got it on, that's the video. I just used my wet brush. I didn't straighten it how I said I was going to, because I think it just kind of looks cute out and wild and playing like this. I took off the wig cap because it kept like sliding on the headband, and I didn't like how you could see the wig cap. My only issue is that the middle feels like it's not that full, so it just like, I don't know, that's the only issue right now. Other than that, I love it, and I'm very, very happy with my results. Looks natural. Ooh, phone call.
Oh, I like the hair.
Thanks.
Hello? See her hair? I want to have those hair.
I have to get mom one.
I'm gonna have to get one. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, I have one day, my dear. I have one day to come to see you. Yes, yes. Oh my goodness.
So that is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching again. I am on a FaceTime call with my niece. Ooh, I got a niece now. Okay, thank you guys. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. I love you guys so, so, so much. Mwah. I'm trying to overtalk them. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love. And it's not goodbye. It's see you later. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.
Enjoyed your time. Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.